Generating $750 from watching YouTube videos for free is achievable, though it requires realistic expectations, a good strategy, and often some additional actions to make it worthwhile. Here's in this video explaining the methods and considerations for turning this idea into income. Understanding the YouTube earning potential. To begin, it's essential to understand that watching YouTube videos directly won't pay you. However, certain platforms and methods allow users to monetize this activity in a roundabout way. This guide covers those platforms, outlines potential earnings, and provides practical steps to optimize income. Many legitimate ways to earn money by watching videos involve third-party platforms that pay you for video interactions, surveys, or engaging in other online activities. Let's break these down in a way that's approachable, actionable, and thorough. Platforms that pay you to watch videos. Several websites and mobile apps offer small rewards for watching video ads, trailers, and content. Here are the most reputable platforms, with tips to maximize your earnings. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards site that pays users for completing small tasks, including watching videos. The tasks vary from watching short clips to engaging with movie trailers or advertisements. Swagbucks points, called SB, can be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift cards. Watching videos can earn you between 1 to 5 SB per video, with occasional bonus offers that increase the earning rate. Combine video watching tasks with surveys and other activities on Swagbucks to boost your overall earnings. Look for bonus bucks, offers that double or triple your earnings on certain tasks. Set aside specific times for video watching, such as during breaks or downtime, to accumulate points gradually without disrupting your daily routine. Inbox dollars. Inbox dollars operates similarly to Swagbucks, offering users small payments for watching short videos, checking out offers, completing surveys, and playing games. You can earn 2 cents to 5 cents per video, though some promotional events may increase earnings. Focus on Inbox dollars video category rather than less profitable options like games. Participate in Inbox dollars referral program to earn extra cash from referred friends who actively use the platform. Accumulate enough balance to cash out at the $30 minimum withdrawal threshold to avoid fees. MyPoints. MyPoints is owned by the same company as Swagbucks and operates similarly. MyPoints offers rewards for watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping through the platform's portal. Watching videos pays in MyPoints points, which can be converted to cash or gift cards. Typically, the payout is similar to Swagbucks, with 1 to 4 points per video. Leverage MyPoints welcome bonus, which can be earned by completing specific tasks during the first week. Explore the bonus points section for high earning opportunities. Use MyPoints as a secondary platform in addition to Swagbucks or Inbox dollars to diversify your earning streams. PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is a reputable site for earning points through various tasks, including video watching. Points can be exchanged for PayPal cash or gift cards. Videos typically earn 1 to 3 points, with a redemption rate of 500 points equaling around $5. Consider joining the PrizeRebel referral program to add a passive income stream. Participate in daily polls and complete surveys alongside video tasks to boost total earnings. Look out for specific video categories that offer double points during promotional periods. 3. Increasing earnings through referrals and multipliers. Some of the platforms mentioned above, such as Swagbucks and Inbox dollars, offer referral bonuses where users can invite friends or family to join. By encouraging others to sign up using your referral link, you can earn a percentage of their earnings or a flat bonus amount. How referrals work. When someone joins a platform using your referral link, you may earn a sign-up bonus or a percentage of their earnings. Active referrals can multiply your earnings, as some platforms offer lifetime referral bonuses. Maximizing referrals. Promote your referral link on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram to reach a larger audience. Engage in online communities or forums focused on side hustles or online money-making opportunities. Create tutorials or guides, like blog posts or YouTube videos, explaining how to make money using these platforms, and include your referral link. 4. Passive earnings through YouTube automation. While watching YouTube videos on sites like Swagbucks can bring in a few dollars, YouTube itself provides passive income opportunities through a content creation strategy known as YouTube automation. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation involves creating channels that post regular content, often using outsourced voiceover, scripting, and editing, rather than you personally being on camera. YouTube ad revenue and other monetization methods allow these channels to generate passive income over time. How to set up a YouTube automation channel. 1. Pick a niche. Choose a popular yet evergreen niche such as tech, personal finance, top 10 lists, or health tips. 2. Source content. You can create content by compiling royalty-free footage, using a voiceover artist, and using graphic design tools for thumbnails. 3. Optimize for SEO. Research keywords related to your niche to help your videos rank better in YouTube searches. 4. Monetize. Once your channel meets YouTube's partner program requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ad revenue. 5. Other side hustles related to watching YouTube. Beyond the platforms that pay you directly for watching videos, here are more side hustles where YouTube videos can play a role in generating income. Affiliate marketing with product reviews. If you enjoy watching reviews of products or services, you can monetize this interest by sharing affiliate links for products discussed in the videos. This can be done through a blog, social media, or even your own YouTube channel. Transcription and captioning. Platforms like Rev, GoTranscript, and TranscribeMe hire freelancers to transcribe video content. By transcribing YouTube videos, you can earn up to $1 per minute of transcription work. Sign up for transcription platforms and complete their assessments. Select videos you find interesting to make transcription more engaging. Practice typing quickly and accurately to boost your hourly rate. Creating a plan to reach $750. To reach the goal of $750, you'll likely need to combine multiple methods and maintain consistency. Here's a suggested breakdown. Daily video watching tasks. Spend 1 to 2 hours a day watching videos on Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and My Points. Target an average of $1 to $2 per day from each platform. Referral program. Aim to invite 5 active users per month to platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. A small but steady referral base can bring in an extra $10 to $20 per month. YouTube automation. Begin setting up a YouTube channel in a high-traffic niche. While it may take several months to reach the $750 mark, the potential for passive income is high once monetization is unlocked. Affiliate marketing and product reviews. Add affiliate marketing links in YouTube video descriptions, or start a blog reviewing products. This could bring in $20 to $50 monthly as traffic builds. 7. Managing your expectations and staying motivated. Earning money by watching YouTube videos can be a low-effort side hustle, but it's important to stay realistic. Most users will find this income stream modest at best. However, diversifying and being consistent can maximize what you earn from it. Here are some final pointers. Be patient. Online income from passive tasks builds slowly over time. Watching videos alone might not be enough, so stay consistent and add extra methods, like referrals and transcription, to keep income flowing. Track your earnings. Keep a simple spreadsheet to track which methods and platforms yield the best results, allowing you to focus on the most profitable activities. Stay updated on platform promotions. Sometimes platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars offer bonus weeks or multipliers, so staying informed can maximize your payouts during these events. Explore new platforms regularly. New apps and sites regularly appear in the online rewards ecosystem. Staying current can help you jump on lucrative offers early, potentially boosting your monthly income. Earning $750 from watching YouTube videos for free is achievable, though it requires time, dedication, and a willingness to diversify income streams. By leveraging video watching reward platforms, referral programs, and YouTube automation, you can create a pathway to this goal. With the right strategy, realistic expectations, and a bit of creativity, watching YouTube videos can indeed become a fun and rewarding side hustle.